Today is wash day. It's not as dirty as you might think. Let me show you how I do it. Subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video every Thursday. Hey, I'm Jamie, the creator of Cuties.com, a site we've designed to help encourage you to cloth diaper your baby from the infant stages through the toddler years. I have been a cloth diapering mama for the last 4 years, and I've got the tips and tricks you need to simplify your cloth diapering experience. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today is wash day, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. First things first. I only wash diapers once a week, and there are a couple factors that play into that. The first is that I have an older baby. My baby just turned 2 years old, and she uses fewer diapers throughout the day. So she uses about 6 to 8 diapers, I would say, in one day. And we're working on potty training, so she wears underwear for a good portion of the day as well. Secondly, I have a pretty large stash. I have not counted the amount of diapers that I have, but I have a large enough stash that I don't have to wash diapers every day. With her 6 to 8 diapers a day, it does not mean that I have to wash every other day or twice a week or any of that. I'm at the point where I can just wash once a week and be done with my laundry day. My wash process is no different from any other load of laundry that I do in a week. The time it takes me to spray a stain that might have settled on a diaper or go downstairs with my diaper pail and load the diapers into the washer is exactly the same as any other load of laundry that I'm doing. The added benefit that I have is that unlike clothes that are laying around, my kids' clothes, my husband's clothes, that I might have to run around and gather, my diapers are all in one place in the diaper pail in my bathroom. It makes it super easy. When it comes to drying diapers, I hang dry about 85% of my diapers. There are a few things that I allow to go in the dryer, like the inserts to my pocket diapers and the fitteds that go with my covers. The fitteds and the inserts both go in the dryer, and I allow them to dry for about 30 to 45 minutes. Let's talk about the tools that I use for washing. When I started cloth diapering with my son 4 years ago, I sought out those cloth diaper specific detergents. I wanted to be very careful with this investment that I had just made and wanted to make sure that I put the best things on my cloth diapers. But I soon realized that that was not necessary. I did have a few cloth diaper specific detergents, but I never repurchased them, and I never used any more of it after it came out of the little packet that might have come with a cloth diaper. While I was getting my bearings of cloth diapering, I did a Google search, and somewhere along the way, I realized that you could use regular detergent for cloth diapers. It worked just fine. The same strength that you needed for regular clothes was the same strength that you needed for diapers, especially since we know now that poop does not go in the wash machine. You don't need anything different to accomplish the same purpose. Learning that I didn't need anything cloth diaper specific to have a good wash for my diapers was freeing for me. I didn't need anything to enhance the longevity of my diapers. All I needed to do was wash them with regularity, and they were going to be fine. So I enjoyed learning that I could use regular detergent, Tide, Game, all, whatever you like, for my cloth diapers. When my daughter came along, her skin was very sensitive, so that kind of changed the game for us a little bit. But all I did was switch to all free and clear at my doctor's recommendation, and I use that for all of our laundry. So my laundry, diapers, the kids' laundry, all washed in all free and clear, and it's worked well for us over time. You will notice when I do this tutorial that I use at this point anything that we have. So I ran out of all on filming this, but I used the Gain that we had a little bit left of and made it work. So whatever I have laying around at this point is what I use to wash my cloth diaper. Fabric softener is a no-go for cloth diapers because it creates a layer of film on the diaper that stops it from being as absorbent as possible. We know that absorbency issues creates repelling, and repelling creates leaks, and we do not want a leaky diaper. We want our diapers to work the way they were intended. Unlike our disposable counterparts, cloth diapering mamas do not usually smell waste because we are not holding any feces in our diaper pail. However, cloth diapers can sometimes get stained, and if mine gets stained, I usually pre-treat them with Shout. I just spray it on there, let it sit for a few minutes before I throw it in the wash. If you're like me and holding your diapers for a week before washing, the diaper pail can start to smell of ammonia. This easily comes out in the wash with no additives, but this is a time when you might want to use bleach or pine oil for cleaning and sanitizing your diapers. I use bleach on my diapers about once a month just to sanitize them. My daughter has not had a reaction to bleach, but I did want to find a method that was safer for sensitive skin and more eco-friendly than bleach as an alternative to sanitize my diapers. I started using pine oil, and pine oil is like its counterpart, pine sol. The concentrated version is great for sanitizing laundry in general. Your laundry, my laundry, diaper laundry. My daughter has also not had a reaction to pine oil, so it's a win-win in my opinion. One last note, when I was a newborn mom, I was very particular about how I did my laundry, the wash routine, how often I washed, what I used in the laundry. But sometimes when you have a newborn baby, you have helpers. And if you are so blessed to have a helper, a mother-in-law, a mom, or someone who wants to help you wash diapers, I suggest that you write a list of what goes in your diaper laundry. As we discussed, we don't want to use fabric softener in laundry. We don't want to put everything in the dryer. So people need to know that if they're helping you. So do yourself a favor, write them a very pretty, nice note. I did. My note might have been a little bit aggressive, but that's with my personality. So leave your helpers a note to lead them and guide them on what you do and what you expect when washing your cloth diapers. Now it's time for me to show you how I wash and dry my diaper stash. Y'all, it is just another load of laundry. Come on. Many cloth diapering mamas wash their diapers with 2 separate wash cycles. I have found with my wash machine and settings, I can get the same results with 1 wash. I wash my diapers on the heavy duty setting that's designed for white clothes. I always add a pre-wash and extra rinse to lengthen my cycle. My wash machine allows for me to set the temperature to a sanitized setting. I use that with a high spin and heavy soil level. Now I just pile all the diapers in. They've been soaked if they needed to be soaked and rinsed if they needed to be rinsed, and they're ready for the washer. Everything goes in the washer, including the pail liner bag. All in all, with my wash cycle settings, it takes about 3 hours for my diapers to wash. All that's left to do is pull them out of the washer and hang dry them. While I'm hanging on my diapers, I want to share with you the approximate time it takes for me to dry them. A good portion of my diapers are split in 2 categories, pocket diapers and all-in-one diapers. Pocket diapers only take about 1 to 2 hours to dry completely, as opposed to my all-in-one diapers that take about 4 to 5 hours for them to dry. The difference is pocket diapers have a thin layer of inner fabric covered by a waterproof backing, whereas the all-in-one diapers have many layers of fabric inside to make them as absorbent as possible. Generally, I hang my diapers at nighttime, turn the fan on, close the door, and they're ready to go the next morning. My wash routine at this point is pretty effortless. It's kind of like crockpot mode. Set it, forget it until it's time to dry. I hope this video has helped you create an effortless wash routine as well. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe. Click the button so you'll know the next time I upload. And head over to clothcuties.com where we are helping you simplify cloth diapering. Bye.